Hello everyone and welcome to my video presentation. During this presentation, I'm basically going to be talking about um, different aspects of the project that I find productive, challenging, and intriguing. Let me start with some of the challenges first. Now, um, a lot of the challenges that I experienced were revolved around how best can I create learning activities to match the learning objectives for each modules. And of course, because my project is focused on being e-mediated, one of the things that I'm mindful of is that I want to be able to offer this professional development to teachers in a way that they can access it asynchronously as well as synchronously. That was a bit of a challenge to determine how the participants are able to complete the assignments on their own time or if needs be um, synchronously, you know, in terms of real time. That was a challenge. And also, there were challenges in terms of assessment, what assessment should look like, because of course I wanted this um, professional development opportunity to be fun. I wanted it to be engaging, of course, challenging. I didn't want the material that they're going to be engaging with to be something simple, but I wanted to challenge their intellect. Um, but I also wanted to do it in such a way that whatever assessment strategy that I use to determine the knowledge and skills they have gained, that those strategies are not too onerous or difficult. So that was it in terms of some of the challenges. Now, productive area, I really enjoyed the work of the creative work that is of um, planning for lesson activities. So basically, what I did so far is to add different modules. Now, for this module, I was able to create a pre-assessment activity, which in the form of a Google form. And I really found Google form to be very useful and helpful. Um, then for module one, I was able to upload videos. There was a video of how to use, for example, screencast omatic, so that it's required of the participants to do a video presentation. So I had to give them an opportunity to learn how to use that software. And again, there's another Google form for them to upload their video. Then another module that I worked on gave the participants access to understanding how the New York State Next Generation Science Learning Standard work, and they're going to be doing an activity related to this. So planning the activities were very productive, challenging yet productive. But the thing that I found to be most intriguing is the fact that I was able to look at learning theories, whether it's inquiry-based learning or constructivist theory, or any of those applicable learning theories, and to see how I can use these when I'm creating the learning activities or in the delivery method, how I'm going to be delivering concepts and content, how I'm going to be referencing these various learning theorists to engage with the participants. So that was very intriguing for me. Um, Well, the project is coming along nicely, and I thank you for viewing my video, and I will keep you posted. Have a good evening.